Well, here it is. So anybody has a 99 to 07 Classic GMC Sierra Chevy Silverado, you got a crank no start situation like this, just cranks, right? This is the real fix to the problem. Okay, crawl under the hood, take your coil wire, find the black wire right there that's on your coil, and run that wire to a ground someplace. Run it to the battery, run it wherever. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this one around this stud right here. I don't know if it'll get enough ground, but we'll try it. Whoops. So I'm gonna wrap it around this stud right here. May not get enough of a ground. Watch this. Yep, not enough. Hold on, let me grab a but this is the fix to it, trust me. I'm gonna set you down for a second. Hook it right to the battery. Whoops. Alright, as you can see, I got that hooked to the battery. Watch. Truck runs. Nope. No crank, no start. 99 to 07 Classic. 534860. That's the real fix.